English Made Easy, Understanding Cooking Class. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, cooking class. This video is perfect for those who are eager to expand their English vocabulary and understand common phrases used in everyday conversation. Let's dive in. Cooking class is a compound noun, composed of two words, cooking and class. The first part, cooking, is a gerund, which is a verb acting as a noun, and refers to the act of preparing food. The second part, class, indicates a lesson or a course. So, when combined, cooking class refers to a lesson or course where you learn how to cook. Now let's see how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. I enrolled in a cooking class to learn how to make Italian dishes. 2. The cooking class on baking bread was very informative. 3. My friend recommended a great cooking class downtown. These examples show how cooking class can be used in various contexts, emphasizing its versatility in conversation. Understanding variations can help broaden your comprehension. Related phrases include, cooking workshop, implies a more hands-on, intensive learning experience. Culinary course, a more formal or extended education in cooking. Cooking lesson, often used interchangeably with cooking class, but can imply a more informal or one-on-one setting. And that's a wrap on cooking class. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, practicing these phrases in different contexts is key to mastering the language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.